Thanks again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, who is a little sluggish today after celebrating his birthday yesterday. Ed, happy birthday.
Thanks a lot.
And you know he's in a hurry because he has to take his wife out for dinner.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah, we
both have dinner.
We
both have dinner dates. Let's go.
I'm cooking for it tonight.
That's a nice thing to do. Let's talk about the question. So we got you guys on the road here. My brother was helping out a disabled car when he was struck on the side of the road by a guy driving a delivery van. The driver has since fled the country. What can my family do? This is from Pam in Mount Pocono.
Pam, this was a very unfortunate situation, and it's one that we've been running into a lot more often, especially with regard to some of these smaller trucking companies hiring drivers that aren't really credentialed to be driving trucks. You got to look at the company first of all. The company's going to be responsible for that driver, whether the driver's in the country or not. Then you also have to look at what was in that particular delivery van. Whatever the load was, somebody had to ship that, or there had to be a broker involved. And the shipper and the broker also have a responsibility to make sure that they're hiring a company that is not that is employing safe drivers, not somebody who's going to get in an accident and flee the country.
Right, but you know the good news is there's some good news here. One, you know, you have the van, you have the company. And the brokers and shippers will be found, so at least you have somebody to go after. The fact that the guy takes off out of the country, you'll still be able to pin that on the company because they're what's called vicariously liable for his action. So that means the company's responsible for whatever their employee did in this situation. So that's the good news. You better get to an attorney who knows what they're doing so they can run these issues down for you and make sure you're protected.
All right, award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. For our viewers that may need your legal help, how can they reach you?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have any questions about the Olympics for Greg, put them on our Facebook page. Any of the sports, he'll answer them on an upcoming segment.
He's a big fan, and we all are. Go USA as the Olympics continue. And, of course, if you have a question for award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, you can hit us up at pahomepage.com or give us a call on the hotline.